Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist. So in this video, I'm showing you one of the ways I like to use the NecksLevel glide along with a TENS unit. I am using this on myself. I'm applying one channel of a TENS unit to the base of my neck, upper back. The idea is to create an altered sensation, novel stimuli, while I'm doing the range of motion exercises. Now that I've achieved the desired intensity of the TENS unit, I position the NecksLevel glide so that I can work on cervical rotation. In this example, I'm going full range of motion to both the left and the right. From here, I adjust for cervical side bend. I'm gonna repeat 10 to 15 repetitions to my right shoulder. Then I will do 10 to 15 repetitions to my left shoulder. And then finally, the last thing I do before I wrap up the session is I work on cervical extension and flexion. I'm performing these against the red resistance band to just give me a little bit of resistance on the extension element of this exercise.